Hello, fellow creators. Just a quick little rundown on how to level this out. I'm helping somebody on Discord here. So let me just go ahead and grab this. And then I'm going to jump over here to Illustrator. And I'm going to create a 30 by 30 frame. Paste in my object. Now, what he's looking at doing is wanting to have this split into 4 equal sections. So I'm guessing he's going to want that in the middle sectioned out. So what I'm going to do is just quickly do a quick redraw here. Just to get this back into vector. Okay. So I'm going to make it pink just for the moment. So what it sounds like he wants to do is be able to get this quickly down into a vector. And as you see, I did not do this purposely. That was for the point of is that these points would not be perfect. Maybe the font was something else. But to get them equal, what we're going to do is select these 2 points, and I'm going to use my Pathfinder. I'm going to align, and then I'm going to select these 2 points, and I'm going to use my Pathfinder align. So now those are perfect. And then we could do the same thing to the top and the bottom. Make sure all these points are in line with each other to make them perfect. Let's go ahead and do that. And this one here. Perfect. Okay. So now it's more perfect. Now, the simplest way to get this done is use the pen tool and just simply draw over the top of it to the 4 points. And then I'm going to reconnect it to this one here. Now you might say, oh, well then now you have these 2 lines here. Well, with both objects selected, this is a crossover, so it's going to count these 2 triangles as separate. I'm going to hit Shift M. That brings me into the object maker. So hovering and clicking and dragging on each line of object that I want, now I have these into each individual separate piece. So that's a quick down and dirty way to get that split up. The other couple ways you could do it is use the scissors tool. You can also use the razor blade, the slice tool. Um, don't recommend any of those. Not slice tool. Where's that? I don't use it very often because I do it normally this way. The other way you could do is do that and do live paint and then expand it once you're done. Um, with live paint, though, I sometimes find that lines get broken up in a different way. So, quick down and dirty little tutorial. Hope this helps.